Can you share with our audience a little bit about that entrepreneurial journey and how you got started?
Yeah, great intro. Thanks for that. You see, so yeah, like you said, I'd love to tell you I was a born entrepreneur, that like I was just naturally like inclined to go start a business, but the reality is I was forced into it. I think my dad got tired of watching me play Super Mario Kart all day, and he busted into my room one day and he said, "Hey, get off your butt. I talked to the neighbor and I have negotiated for you to go mow their yard for $20." And my dad was a military guy, so this was like not a democratic household. It was a direct order. And he made me go cut the neighbor's grass. And luckily he did that, because I remember I got paid $20 for like 40 minutes of work. And back in 1995, that was a lot of money. And I thought, this is awesome. I just made more in an hour than I could in a week with my allowance. I thought, I'm just going to do this. And I made up some flyers, passed them all over the neighborhood, and got 20 customers that first summer. And I never looked back. Every year I just grew that little lawn mowing business just a little at a time, almost working it like a video game, really, looking back. And in over a 15-year period of time, built it into a real business, 150 employees and a sales team and managers and things like that. And around $10 million a year in revenue is what we're able to grow it to. And then it was acquired. It was acquired by a national company in 2013. You wouldn't think there's national landscaping businesses, but there are. And this one had like 2,000 employees. Bought my business. And then after that, I took some time off, got bored, thought, well, what am I going to do with my life now? I want a new challenge. I want a new project. I realized that I needed that in my life. And so I had this idea that there should be an app where you just push a button and somebody should come take care of your lawn mowing for you. And the idea was simple, but I didn't really understand how hard it was going to be to execute. And that was a good thing. It was kind of naivete as an asset. But recruited 2 co-founders. We started working on the idea for GreenPal. And now GreenPal is a 10-year overnight success. We are nationwide in the United States, around 300,000 people using the app and doing multiple 8 figures a year in revenue. So it's 22 years and really in one industry, on the blue collar side and now on the tech side.
If you enjoyed this video, please share it. To make sure you never miss an episode, please subscribe.